I'm Chris with Goodland Travel Agency, your all-inclusive expert here in Punta Cana. Today I'm going to be bringing you a tour of Secrets Tides. Stick around. Contact us today to book your trip to Punta Cana. We offer first-hand experience, expert knowledge, and best-in-industry pricing. Contact us today. We'll make your vacation experience seamless. I know the options for Punta Cana can seem overwhelming. Well, I'm here to help you choose the perfect resort for your vacation. My first impressions walking into the lobby is a very modern design, open concept, which I really love. You can also see the ocean all the way from the end. You have your standard lobby bar, restaurants on the perimeter, Coco Cafe, sort of your central location for all your needs. A trip to Secrets would not be complete without the Coco Cafe. Coco Cafe behind me is open 24 hours a day for all your coffee and snack needs. Let's go check it out. Now that I'm powered up with macaroons and espresso, let's go check out the rest of the resort. Come on. I'm outside a Rendezvous, the lobby bar. They're mixing up some great cocktails here. Take a look. Perfecto. I'm always on the lookout for what makes certain resorts unique. And for me, it's usually the little touches. Now, I'm from Wisconsin. Bar snacks are a staple at every single bar. Here at Secrets Tides, they actually have some bar snacks out for us, some olives and pretzels. It's the little touches I really appreciate. Right off of the main lobby, you'll find the wedding showroom. This is your dedicated room for your destination wedding. This resort is great if you want to bring a group for a destination wedding. Contact us today, we'll help you plan the whole thing. I like what they did here at Secrets Tides. They've introduced some new cuisines that you don't typically find at other all-inclusive resorts. So here behind me is Maracay, which is the Pan-Asian Mediterranean style restaurant. Just through those back doors, you also have your hibachi tables, which are always a favorite. The nightly entertainment here at Secrets Tides is really phenomenal, I have to say. And right behind me is the theater. They have nightly shows here. All right, so right behind me is the quiet pool. Now this pool is open for all guests. Some things that I want to point out that I like are these chairs right here on the edge of the pool. They're located on a tile shelf, so you're actually able to sit in the pool and relax in your own chair. And of course, it wouldn't be complete without your very own swim-up bar here. Come on, let's keep going. One other thing that I think is really unique about this property are these palm trees that are located throughout the resort. They're actually located right within the walkway, all the way down from the lobby down to the main beach. Makes for a really nice ambiance. Preferred Club has its perks, so located throughout the property, you're also going to find these Preferred Club lounges scattered all throughout the resort. They're only for Preferred Club guests and they are dedicated concierge service. Contact us today to book your trip. We'll walk you through the nuances between Preferred Club and non-Preferred Club and what some of the benefits are. One of my favorite unique features at resorts is when they hide little pools throughout the property. So right behind me is a jacuzzi pool here at Secrets Tides. They're kind of scattered throughout the property and I think it's a really nice touch. All the way down at the end of the property, right near the ocean, is the main pool. Now this is where you're going to find music and activities throughout the day, open for all guests, and of course, your swim-up bar. Come on, let's go take a look. For health and wellness facilities here at Secrets Tides, just off to my left we have the gym, which is a double-story gym, which is pretty unique, and then off to my right is the spa. All right, this is the hydrotherapy section in the spa at Secrets Tides. I love it. It's an open air courtyard concept. I think I could just spend all day here. It's great if you're looking to do a destination wedding, leisure group with friends, or even a corporate event. Secrets is your spot. Right behind me is the Barefoot Grill at Secrets, which is going to be for quick bites when you're down at the beach or at the pool. All right, all the way at the end of the property, you have Oceana, which is your beachside dining restaurant for Preferred Club members only for breakfast and lunch. By dinner, it opens up for seafood, at night for all guests. Just check out these views. This is one of my favorite spots to grab breakfast and just enjoy the incredible ocean and beach views. And right across from the main pool is the Preferred Club only pool. Now these are the Oceanfront Junior Suites Preferred Club, and this pool is exclusive for Preferred Club only guests. They were checking room numbers earlier, and there's also a swim-up bar with premium liquors and a little food truck where we grabbed a couple quick bites earlier. Now book with us and we'll walk you through the nuances between Preferred Club and non-Preferred Club and what's included. Secrets Tides is located in the Uvero Alto section of Punta Cana, which is a little bit north of Uvero Beach. You're going to get a little bit more golden sand here, but it is one of the most beautiful beaches that I've been in Punta Cana, and I also love the ample seating that they provided here at Secrets Tides. One of the things that I really enjoy here down by the beach is the ample seating, which I mentioned earlier. So one of the unique features here is all these little palapas with about 2 chairs per palapa, and it makes for a great spot where you can enjoy some shade, especially when that Dominican sun is coming down. What I really like is that you don't have to fight for a chair, and there's plenty of seating around here, all with some nice shade. Yet another great aspect for groups here at Secrets Tides is their group dining experience. Contact us to book your group here. I'll walk you through the group dining reservations and make your vacation as seamless as possible.
I think the number one thing I like is the variety of cuisine on the menu. It is a Peruvian restaurant, but I just felt like the menu had a lot of different flavor profiles to choose from, and the quality is really good.
Right outside of the main lobby, they have several of these fire pits which are going to be lit up at night. I'm going to sit back, enjoy my glass of wine, and listen to some live music. Alright, I'm at Desire Sports Bar, which is just outside of the main lobby. This is the sports bar. They do have a snack and food menu that you can order from, as well as a full-service bar, some pool tables, screens on with different sports events. Check this out. You know, I'm an avid Green Bay Packers fan. I finally found some Packer memorabilia. Here's the thing. The Packers are such a storied franchise. I want to see a little bit more. I mean, the helmet's good, but come on. We've got multiple Super Bowl wins. I want to see some more memorabilia on the wall. Let's go!
What the hell's going on out here?
I've really enjoyed my time here at Secrets Tides. Some of my favorite things were the multiple cuisines to choose from for dinner. I love their oceanfront infinity pools, and then I did also really like that they had a lot of evening entertainment. There was always something to do at night. Contact us today to book your trip here to Secrets Tides and to Punta Cana. I know the choices can seem overwhelming. I'm here to guide you through that process. Also, we offer best in industry pricing, expert knowledge, and firsthand experience. Contact us today to help make your vacation experience seamless. Chris here, the owner of Good Land Travel Agency. Thanks so much for viewing our content. We offer personalized service and expert knowledge. Contact us to book your next vacation and check us out at goodlandtravelagency.com.